The construction of the Lingdingyang Bridge, one of the key projects of the Shenzhen-Zhongshan link in South China, is in full swing. The bridge has a main span of 1,666 meters and a main tower height of 270 meters, which is equivalent to a 90-floor building. The Shenzhen-Zhongshan link is a super-sea crossing project integrating bridges, islands, tunnels, and underwater channels. The total length of the link is about 24 kilometers.
深圳通道项目呢是“十三五”国家重点工程，项目总的投资概算是446.9个亿。到今年6月份为止呢，我们完成了290个亿，那么占我们概算总比例的接近65%。
The Shenzhen-Zhongshan link is expected to open to traffic in 2024. It will cut commuting time between the two cities from 2 hours to 30 minutes. Upon completion, the link will improve transportation in the Greater Bay Area, which covers Hong Kong and Macau's special administrative regions, and 9 cities in South China's Guangdong province, including capital Guangzhou as well as Shenzhen.